you so much. And yes, we are your greatest project and your most expensive one. Happy birthday!
Well, love, darling, come and go with me, come with me, baby, yonder sea, I need you, darling, so come go with me.
Ako masasabi ko cool yung tatay namin kasi number one, lumaki kami na parang may boundaries pa rin pero para namin siya kabarkada.
Si tatay very loving yan. Loving in many aspects.
He's generous in love, he's generous in wisdom, in stories, and in experiences, and galante siya, lalo sa mga taong alam niyang nangangailangan.
I've seen the world 1,000 times, spent a while in the sky. Now I'm in a place I never knew.
Tay, happy 60th birthday. I know ayaw mo ng mga ganitong klaseng celebration, but wala eh. Gusto naming ibigay sa'yo to. And deserve mo to, Tay.
He would not celebrate kasi malungkot sa amin eh. Kasi yung nanay namin napaka-importante para sa pamilya namin.
You know naman that I don't want to celebrate. You know why? This is the birthday of my nanay. Pareho kami. Maraming salamat kasi siya yung prayer warrior ko sa langit.
It's different now. You've been my reason to stick around. Now all my defenses are falling down.
Tay, alam mo kung ano mga pinagdaanan mo in terms of health at isa yon sa mga significant na ipinagpapasalamat ko at inabot po tong age na to.
Lagi siya nagpapaalala sa amin na God first and always mahalin mo yung kapwa mo.
Hi, Tay! Happy 60th birthday. Sana magustuhan mo to.
Tay.
Ni-ready namin sa'yo.
Yes. We love you more than words could ever build. And if our lives are any reflection of yours, your finest work will never be made of steel or concrete. It will be us, your children.
I will continue to give hanggat may ibibigay ako, ibibigay ko yun. Wala akong ibang gustong sabihin but to praise God, yung bait mo, Panginoon.
Birthday. Love you.
So I went home, so far that I couldn't have it close. 'Cause you turned my heart, thought I'd let you know that I found what I need. It's different now. You've been my reason to stick around. Now all my defenses are falling down. You're the meaning of home to me.
Happy birthday, Sir Onet!
Happy birthday, Onet!
Happy birthday, Kuya. Nandito lang ako para sa'yo. May you have many more birthdays to come. We love you.
You're the meaning of home to me.
Love you, Tay.
Thank you.
Happy Tay.
Dami amor.
Happy birthday,